Hello, my name is Tatiana Polo. I am a student of the degrees in English as a foreign language. Today I will talk a little about the blogs. The blogs. It is a web page in which short content and publisher on a specific or free subject. The articles of a blog are usually accompanied by images, videos, photographs, and sound. Blogs can be useful from sharing information and being among various partners, as providing information for a student and maintaining contact with parents. The material that can be seen using this tool are short tests, didactic exercise, videos, and collaborative boards. This tool is used within classroom to allow students to interact with each other and in turn consolidate their knowledge. How to create a blog? We search the Google blog search engine and give the option free blog. When selecting the page, we choose the blog of the preference, personal or negocio or other. We start writing a title or blog, then we click online. When add an image by clicking on the option Continue, I choose the image and press the option to add to the website. Finally, give the option Continue. A presentation of the blog is made and the option to add to the website is clicked. Finally, we select a style and design for the blog. Now, we register, choose a name for our blog. Now, we can start working on our blog. To add content to our blog, we must select the content option and choose what to add: the text, imaging, presentation, video, poster, etc. To add a text, we share in content for the text option. We click there at the desired text. When we are finished, the option Save its script. Remember that You can change the font, the alignment, the colors, etc. To add an image, we search in the content for the image option. We click there the desired image. You can select the image for the file or for the internet. When we are finished, the option Save the GIF. Save the GIF. To add a video, we search in content from the video option. Click there. Click there video. You can select video from your file or from the internet. Internet or your file. In the select video is from the internet. We must place the address of the video and give it the option to add. When we are finished, the option to save and give. When you finish creating your blog, give the option to share so that everyone can see it. Thank you for your attention.